Hello students, today we will discuss about the Armstrong number. What is the Armstrong number? Which numbers? For example, one number is given 156. If we will cube of all the digit and the sum of the digit means 1 cube plus 5 cube and plus 6 cube. When we will sum of the cube of all digits will be equal to the this digit. That is called, suppose digit your digit is 153. Okay, for example. So then the sum of the digit of cube of that digit will be equal to given number. That is called the Armstrong. Means 1 cube is 1 plus 5 5 is 25 25 is 125 plus here is 27. Now you will add how much? 7 and 5 12 30 3 1 is carry 2 4 and 5 and then 1 means the sum of digit and its cube, each digit will be equal to given numbers. That is called the Armstrong number. Understand? Now, how you will perform this equation, this type of the problem in the program. Inside the program, first of all we will calculate the value of the n. That is the n is given number and n is equal to n modulo by 10. Then s is equal to s plus a multiply a in 3 digits and n is equal to n divided by 10. So for this calculation we have to use this type of the logic inside the program. How it will work inside the computer. First is n value is given 153. I will explain full. A is equal to n modulo by 10. N is given 153 modulo by 10. So when you will modules by 10, so how much will be the answer? Here will be 3. Because when you will divide by 10, this only remainder we will write. Now next option is, that is the value of the A. Now we have to calculate the value of the S. S initial value is 0 plus A multiply A. So the value of the A is 3. So 3 multiply 3. So how much? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 and 27 plus 0, how much? 27. Clear? Now, after that, it will be divide. Means n is equal to, now we have to calculate the value of the n. N is equal to 153 divided by 10. So how much when you will divide by 10? Means 15. 10 1 is 10 and 5 15. So only question part we will write. Now the value of the A is 3, S is 27 and N is 15. Now we will take the value of the N. N is 15 now. A is equal to, now again we will use this formula, 15 modular by 10. Now how much remainder? 5. Now after that we have to calculate the value of the S according to this. S value 0 plus, no, not 0. S value is given. Now how much? 27 and plus. How much A value is? 5 plus 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So how much? 5 5 ja 25 and 25 1 ja 125 and 125 plus 27 how much? 152. Clear? And digit is 153. Now S value we have calculated. Now we have to calculate the N value. N is equal to, now N is equal to N by 10. Now N is how much? 10 and sorry, N is how much? 15. So 15 divided by 10. So how much remainder? 1. Clear? Now N value is 1. Now again we will repeat. N is equal to N module by 10 is equal to, now how much? 1. And now value of the S how much? 152 plus, now A multiply A, the value of the A how much? 1 multiply 1. Clear? Now how much? 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 and 152 plus 1 how much? 153. And the value of the A is N is equal to N. N is 1 divided by 10. So then the value of the N will be 0. So then it will be the Armstrong number. So like this it will be calculated. By this logic inside the computer, I think all the students are understand well. Now we will make the program, so you have to keep in your mind how it will be calculated. Like this it will be calculated till the value of the n is equal to 0. If we will not get the value of the n is equal to 0, so then it will be not Armstrong number. Okay. Now we will start our program. Okay. Yes, student. Your program is start now. First of all, we will write the comment to check the number for the Armstrong or not. We have to check the number. This number is Armstrong or not. First of all, we will use the class, public class Armstrong, and then open bracket, then public static void main int n. We are using here int and you know which function we are using here. Int n for enter the number. You can write the comment in between also. For what purpose we are using this integer n. Then integer a and num and s. Why we use the variable of the n? For the number. The value of the num equal to the n. Which number you will enter, so then that value will be stored in the same value will be stored into the variable num. Now it will check the conditions if while n is greater than 0. I have just explained. If n is greater than 0 or a is equal to n modulo by 10, s is equal to s plus a multiply a. I have explained already. And n is equal to n by 10. And if num is equal to s, suppose the value of this n, the value of the num, this is the num value, and the value of the s, where will be the equal. So then it will display the number and number, which number 153, suppose you are giving, is an Armstrong number. If the value of the n you will get more than 0, so else part will function. The system dot out dot println the number num is not an Armstrong. I think all the students are understand well how we will make the program for the Armstrong. And after completing your program, when you will run your program, so then you will see the output. It will ask the value. So then suppose you will give the 153, suppose. So then after checking, it will display the message, the number 153 is an Armstrong number. I think through this program, all the students are understand what is Armstrong numbers and how we can perform the Armstrong number inside the program by using the logic. Okay.